Scene was set at Alliance Française de Karachi, French Cultural Center, where Marc, the Belgium chef instructor of 125-year-old, globally acclaimed prestigious Institute of Culinary Art, Le Cordon Bleu, and his associates demonstrated their skills to promote certificate courses offered in Istanbul. Marc, the Belgium chef instructor, speaking to NewsPakistanTV, said,
As Le Cordon Bleu in Istanbul, we seen a quite interest of Pakistan students in culinary arts. That's the reason why we came this time to Karachi to promote our courses, certificate courses at Le Cordon Bleu in Istanbul. The Cordon Bleu is a culinary school created 125 years ago. Today we have around 36 centers of excellences worldwide in 20 countries, and one is in Istanbul on the Özyeğin University campus. Why I became chef? You know, all the family is in hospitality. My grandpa had already restaurant, hotel, my uncle, my brother, my parents, yes. I get somehow, I always say feed it with chocolate, yes. My pastry background coming from my parents. So that's was some things normal that I going in the same routes than my parents. I did a study in Belgium, in the German-speaking part, where I did a normal vocational school, apprentice, and went later then to courses and classes in Paris with Le Nôtre, with De Bayeul. I've been in Belgium, in Covey, Ipiat, in Der Grüne Porte. I did some courses in Germany, so I did many courses before launching me into the education. I'm now 42 years in the business. I'm working as the head of the pastry in Cordon Bleu in Istanbul. We have 3 different levels. The basic level, yes, where you learn really the basis. In patisserie, is it crème pâtissière, meringue? Yes, you're learning sablé, different methods. Yeah. In cuisine is exactly the same. How to use a knife, how to clean meat. Then we go into the intermediate. Yes, where in cuisine you're doing a tour de France. You're learning all French dishes from the different regions. In patisserie, we go into the French classical, like opera, gâteau Alhambra, and so on. And then in superior classes, yes, you will learn then the art, I say the artistic things. As in chocolate, in patisserie, we're doing a chocolate showpiece. We're working about sugar pullet, sugar tea, sucre soufflé. So we creating really art pieces, which you see then later in the showcases of our students. Yes, we have for the moment plenty of Pakistan students. We're working here in Karachi with 5 of 10, and we prepared for today's reception. The future of the students is certainly great. Then the people getting more and more interested into food, the people going more and more out, and I think also I've seen 2 years ago, I've been first time in Pakistan, here in Karachi, also in Lahore. There are more and more small restaurants, small cafes popping up. That means there is interest, and so I strongly believe that students who get a base, yes, a profound base on culinary arts, yeah, that they are able to open their own shop.
Vania Ahmed, who is studying culinary arts and gastronomy in Cordon Bleu while living in Turkey, told,
I'm studying culinary arts and gastronomy in Le Cordon Bleu, and I've been living in Turkey for 1.5 years. I have been asked this question a lot, but I think none of the Pakistanis should be answering this question because Pakistanis love food. My father is an engineer in a company, and my mom has her own small business of designing clothes. like other Pakistani parents, I think they would be like, "Okay, why are you becoming a chef? Become a doctor or become an engineer." My parents weren't that skeptical, but they were a little worried sending a girl alone to a different country, especially coming from a Pakistani background. But obviously, I had very good supporting parents. And not just parents, my entire family is very supporting. I did my O-levels here from Genesis School, and then I went for A-levels to Bacon House. If you compare, like it's like all other universities abroad, we'll live in the dorms, we have classes morning to nights, we even do some part-time jobs if we have the opportunities to. It's like that for every student. But if I consider our degrees, we have this 3 to 4 hours daily in kitchen working. I started in 2018, so I'll be completed in 2022. Well, I plan to work in a Michelin star restaurant after completing my degree. Hopefully somewhere in Europe, and then maybe coming back to Karachi. It's actually a star. It's like, suppose giving an Oscar to a restaurant.